a train, clearing out the lower growth so the tops can gain. Males pull back, females standing in their lane. Net going up now, this is where we shape the frame.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Jacob Cultivates. Thank you all for being here with me today. We have a super action-packed, exciting episode today, everyone. So last night, I identified all of the males and females. As we may have seen in the intro video, I have them separated. So what I'm going to be doing today is the start of plant training. A couple different things that I have going on in accordance to my training plan. You can see behind me a couple nets that are halfway, well, 3/4 of the way to being fully extended. You can see the bottom layer net and that upper layer net. I'm going to walk you all through exactly what I'm doing with that net later on in this episode. So stick around, you're going to want to see that. But first, before we play around with these nets, I'm going to be trimming up the plants. And this is for a couple different reasons, really. Everything below this bottom layer net is going to be bare. We're not going to have any of this foliage left on these plants from about where this net is right now. So we're going to start that process today of trimming the bottom of the plants up. And as I said, there's a couple different reasons for that. We want to have it bare below that first net because there's not a lot of light down there. And this is a waste of the plant's energy to have all of that extra additional foliage and unnecessary node development where buds will develop. We don't want that because those buds won't be fully developed. So those are the main reasons. And I'm going to just go ahead and stop my talking and get right to work. So I'm just going to leave this video rolling. I'm going to be fast forwarding parts. I'm going to stop. I'm going to talk here and there. So this is a little bit of a different format than what I've done in my previous videos. And I hope you all like it. Thank you so much for all the love and support, everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to work. This stuff is going to come off too, but I'm going to wait to remove that because I don't want to induce too much stress all at once. We're also going to be topping these girls, cutting the tops off to create new emerging branch systems. Let's go ahead and do that right now with this plant. Okay, so we're looking at 4 females, presumably females. I feel fairly confident that I have 4 females successfully identified right here. So I've trained them by removing some lower foliage, and I've topped, so they will start creating new branch systems. Now this one here is quite a bit bigger than those other 3. I'm sweating in here right now, guys. I'm sweating. Okay, so we have everything fixed in place. I have the net where I want it. And as we can see, 3 of the plants are pretty much in line with the net. This one in the middle has a little bit of catching up to do. No big deal. It'll catch up. This one here over on the end where I have the net fixed is sticking up out of the net too far. I don't like that. So I'm going to do something that's rather drastic, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to top it again a little bit lower below the net right here. So we already have some inner node shoots coming out that are nice and healthy. So even though this is a huge topping, I suspect everything will be just fine. So now she's topped again. I topped that girl twice during this episode. I feel better with this. These will grow into mains, and I'll weave them in and out. And I may leave these ones too, actually. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But now we have the net in place. All the plants with their first training ready to go. Let me try to get down here in front of the camera. Hopefully I'm in frame because I have the rear facing camera going on right now. But anyway, that's going to do it for this update, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you all for the support. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, advice, criticisms in a constructive, friendly manner, drop them down in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback. That's going to do it, everyone. Much love to you all. Jacob Cultivates is out of here. I'm not out of here just yet. I forgot to mention the other plants, the ones that are identified as male, I'm not touching those because there's 1 or 2 plants I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty certain all 3 are males, but there's just a little bit of uncertainty with pretty much 2 of them. So I'm not training them at all. I'm just going to leave them for a little bit longer to get a better show of the sex, and then we'll take it from there. Now, Jacob Cultivates is out of here.
Yeah, you're learning while we're burning on Jacob Cultivates.